1886. Les collections Piette sont aujourd'hui au musée de Saint-Germain. 108 I, 1895, 262. 109 d'après l'abbé Breuil. Confère XXVI, 1, 319. 110 Évolution quaternaire de la pierre, dans 8, 1897, 24. A de Mortillet, les petits silex taillés à contours géométriques, 8, 6, 1896. 111 En danois kaikan signifie cuir et mtding, au pluriel mtdinger, débris. 112 Confère LXXV. 113 XXVI, I, 326. 114 Livre 115 XL, deuxième édite, 518. 116 Conférence Hildebrand, sur la subdivision du nord de l'Europe en provinces archéologiques, pour l'âge de la pierre polie, Congrès de Bruxelles, 479 à 485. 117 Elxieux. 118 Pour la Belgique, Ruteau, LXI, divise le Mésolithique et le Néolithique en 5 phases, 1 degré tardenoisien, 2 degrés flénusien, 3 degrés campinien, 4 degrés robanosien, 5 degrés omalien. 119 Truc X. 120 L'existence de cette phase dans la vallée du Nil est douteuse. 121 Même observation que pour l'Égypte, note 2. 122 Truc X, le tombeau de Négada, Paris, 1897, XXXV. 123 Édouard Meyer, à Égyptische Chronologie, à Bandl, Berlin, Acadé, 1904, et Nachtrage, ID, 1907, établit sa théorie sur des calculs astronomiques. Voir les objections de G. Maspero dans 11, 1905, 2, 203. 124 Confère XXVI, 2, première partie, 54, Tecvi, 2 degrés édite, 1914, tableau, PL12, etc. 125 The Royal Tombs, 1900, par IPL12, figé entre 12 et 13, PL17, figé 30. 126 Confère XXVI. 2 premières parties. 127 XLI. 128 Hésiode, livre 2, Diodore de Sicile, Livy Confère Eclevie, 9. 129 Chez les Juifs et Phéniciens entre autres. 130 Certaines haches de Hongrie renferment jusqu'à 18 % d'arsenic. Cette teneur élevée semble devoir être attribuée à des minerais particulièrement impurs. 131 Confère XXVI, 2, première partie, 175 Square 132 Confère XXVI, 2, première partie, 176. 133 Confère Truc X, 216 Square. Tous les documents relatifs à la question des mines du Sinaï, rapportés par l'auteur, sont dans ses collections au musée de Saint-Germain. 134 Confère 30 IE, études archéológistes, 22, et cartes, place II, p34. 135 The Gliss, sur le bronze préhistorique, Mélange Nicole, Genève, 1905. 136 J. de Morgan, 7, 1921. J'ai trouvé moi-même un char dans un tumulus olstatien de la forêt des Moidons, Jura. 137 Confère XXX, I, 1908, Chap 4, 110 Square 138 Amiens Marcellin, d'après Timagène, 15, 9, 4. 139 Confer XXX, 227, note 2. 140 XXVI, 572. 141 LXX, 54. 142 notes communiquées par H.C. Toncar, Rivière-Pense. 143 J. de Morgan, 1882. Les terrains crétacés de la Scandinavie, X 144 Éclive. 145 V, 1887, 8. 146 Confer Fouju, 6, 1891, 445, L'Homme, 1884, 447. 147 J. de Baye, V, 1885, 464, XXI, deuxième édite, 64. 148 Chanoine Grandwell, 17, 1871, Nouve. Série 2, 419, Col. Alan Fox. 16, V, 1876. 149 Grotte du Trilobite. 150 Grotte de Combarel. 151 Grotte du Mas d'Asile. 152 XXVI, I, 512. 153 Docteur Testu, V, 1888, 77. 154 A de Mortillet, Les Polissoirs de Villemort, Aube, 9, 1906, 44, figé entre 26 et 27. 155 Comme le fait d'Échalette, XXVI, I, 519. 156 Moringen et Robin-Nossant, Suisse, Saint-Aubin-en-Charolais, Saône-et-Loire, etc. 157 Confer Elxive, Historique et description, par le chanoine de Villeneuve, Anthropologie, par le docteur Verneau, Géologie et paléontologie, par Marcellin Boule. 158 Rollin, Habitation néolithique du plateau des Hautes-Brugères, Villejuif, I, 1899, 204. 159 Confer Marcel de Puydété, 2, 1888 à 1903. 160 Confer Pigorini, XXI, 1875, 175. 161 Confer Eltpsiv. 162 Elecvieux. 163 Confer au Montelius d'Appé. L. Pigorini, Civ Prime. Aital 164 Confer XXVI, I, 341. 165 Confer Zaborowski, L'origine des animaux domestiques en Europe et les migrations ariennes, 13, Grenoble, 1905, 2, 1034. 166 Alixis, 13. 167 Lit. 168 Elecvie, Piétrement, les chevaux dans les temps préhistoriques, I, 1906, 658. 169 Les représentations humaines sont plus récentes que celles des animaux. H. Breuil, Inlit, 10 janvier 1923, la relation entre les deux sujets est donc illusoire. 170 Diep Flansanderpfal Botan. Neugiard. Naturef. Giselch, 1886. 171 Eltpsi. 172 9, 4e édite, I, 204. 173 Confergie de Morgan, 30e, I, Musée de Saint-Germain. 174 LXXI, 8. 175 Supra, P55. 176 XXVI, I213. 177 H. Breuil, Inlit 10 janvier 1923, pense que ce sont là de simples hachures et non la figuration d'une toison. 178 Cartaillac, 6, 1903, 180. 179 Prince-Prêtre. 180 Confère Big, 1875. Anne. De l'Instit. De Corrèze P. Archéole, p. 221, Éclieux, 3, 1885. 181 LXV, ch. V, 297. 182 d'AP. J. Garstein. 183 Confère Truquix. 184 Confère Esrenac, l'art et la magie. 6, 1903, 257, ID, LX, I, Paris, 1905. 185 XXVI, I, 268. 186 Confère Txix. 187 Baron de Baye, sur les cavernes sépulcrales dans le département de la Marne, Congéère Internat, Arches, Bruxelles, 1872, XXI. Première édite, 1879. 188 Ces cavernes artificielles très riches en instruments de silex poli contenaient aussi quelques traces de cuivre, elles appartiennent donc à l'énéolithique et non au néolithique. 189 Xiv, 157. 190 de Dol égale table et Men égale pierre, en breton. 191 de Chrome égale courbe et le cache égale pierre, en breton. 192 Conféra. De Mortillet, 8, 11. 193 Confère 37 153 et note 2, 3 et 4. 194 30 I, 4, première part, 13 SQ, XXXV, 8, 1905, 251 Square 195 MEN égale Pierre, et Ir égale Long, en breton. 196 A de Mortillet, distribution des mégalithes en France, 8, 1901, 40. 197 XLV, 17. 198 Confère Txiv, 270. 199 Olsosan, Lecherver-Brenning, XX, 1892, 163. 200 Piette, 6, 1896, 386. 201 LI. 202 Tous les objets trouvés dans ce tombeau sont au musée de Saint-Germain. 203 LI, 20. 204 ID, P20, et pour la Suisse, Elecvieux, 150. 205 Confère de Mortillet, Trépanation préhistorique, I, 1882, 144. 206 Confère Reich. Archéole, 1896, 13 à 125, 30 I, 4. 207 Renan, Hist du peuple d'Israël. I, 27. 208 Piette, étude d'ethnographie préhistorique, 6, 1896, 385. 209 Tecvi, 424 Square 210 La calaïe de Plinde est une matière minérale dure, translucide, souvent marbrée de veines blanches, bleues ou brunes. 211 Confère d'échelettes, manuel, I, 621. 212 Casali de Foudous entre autres. 213 Confère Pitre de Lille, notice sur les fouilles du tumulus de la Motte Sainte-Marie, Loire-Inférieure, dans Bulle Archéole, 1891, 38. 214 Confère Cartaillac, les grottes artificielles sépulcrales du Portugal. V. 1885, 16. 215 Confère à Damour, 14, Alixis, 1865, séance des entre 21 et 28 août. 216 J. de Morgan. Les stations préhistoriques de l'Alagueuse, Arménie russe, dans Rêve. De l'école d'Anthrope, XX année, T6, 1909, p. 189 à 203. 217 d'après Eusèbe, père P. Even, 1, x, 10. 218 Confère au Montelius, v. 1880, 86. 219 Confère Chanel, note sur une épée en bronze trouvée à Bénor, 1, Bullarche, 1908, 309, Élecvieux, 237. 220 Confère J. de Morgan, mission scientifique au Caucase, 1889, I. End of the project Gutenberg e-book L'humanité préhistorique updated editions will replace the previous one, the all editions will be renamed. Creating the works from print editions not protected by US copyright law means that no one owns a United States copyright in these works, so the Foundation, and you, can copy and distribute it in the United States without permission and without paying copyright royalty. Special rule, set forth in the general terms of use part of this license, apply to copying and distributing Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic works to protect the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale concept and trademark. Project Gutenberg is a registered trademark, and may not be used if you charge for an e-book, except by following the terms of the trademark license, including paying royalty for use of the Project Gutenberg trademark. If you do not charge anything for copy of this e-book, complying with the trademark license is very easy. You may use this e-book for nearly any purpose such as creation of derivative works, report, performance and research. Project Gutenberg e-books may be modified and printed and given away. You may do practically anything in the United States with e-books not protected by US copyright law. Redistribution is subject to the trademark license, especially commercial redistribution. Start, full license. The full Project Gutenberg license. Please read this before you distribute or use this work to protect the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale mission of promoting the free distribution of electronic works, by using or distributing this work, or any other work associated in any way with the phrase Project Gutenberg, you agree to comply with all the terms of the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale license available with this file or online at www.gutenberg.org/licence. Section 1. General Terms of Use and Redistributing Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique Works 1.a by reading or using any part of this project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique work, you indicate that you have read, understand, agree to and accept all the terms of this license and intellectual property, trademark / copyright, agrément. If you do not agree to abide by all the terms of this agreement, you must cease using and return or destroy all copy of Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works in your possession. If you paid a fee for obtaining a copy of or access to a Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique work and you do not agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement, you may obtain a refund from the person or entity to whom you paid the fee as set forth in paragraph 1.e.8. 1.b Project Gutenberg is a registered trademark. It may only be used on or associated in any way with an electronic work by people who agree to be bound by the terms of this agreement. There are a few things that you can do with most Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works even without complying with the full terms of this agreement. See paragraph 1.c below. There are a lot of things you can do with Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works if you follow the terms of this agreement and help preserve free future access to Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works. See paragraph 1.e below. 1.c The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the Foundation or PGLAF, owns a compilation copyright in the collection of Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale électronique works. Nearly all the individual works in the collection are in the public domain in the United States. If an individual work is unprotected by copyright law in the United States and you are located in the United States, we do not claim a right to prevent you from copying, distributing, performing, displaying or creating derivative works based on the work alone as all references to Project Gutenberg are removed. Of course, we hope that you will support the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale mission of promoting free access to electronic works by freely sharing Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale works in compliance with the terms of this agreement for keeping the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale name associated with the work. You can easily comply with the terms of this agreement by keeping this work in the same format with its attached full Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale license when you share it without charge with others. 1.d The copyright laws of the place where you are located also govern what you can do with this work. Copyright laws in most countries are in a constant state of change. If you are outside the United States, check the laws of your country in addition to the terms of this agreement before downloading, copying, displaying, performing, distributing or creating derivative works based on this work or any other Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque commerciale work. The Foundation makes no representations concerning the copyright status of any work in any country other than the United States. 1.e Unless you have removed all references to Project Gutenberg. 1.e.1 the following sentence, with active links to, or other immediate access to, the full project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license must appear prominently whenever any copy of a project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work, any work on which the phrase project Gutenberg appears, or with which the phrase project Gutenberg is associated, is accessed, displayed, performed, viewed, copied or distributed. This ebook is for the use of anyone anywhere in the United States and most other parts of the world at no cost and with almost no restriction whatsoever. You may copy it, give it away or reuse it under the terms of the Project Gutenberg license included with this ebook or online at www.gutenberg.org. If you are not located in the United States, you will have to check the laws of the country where you are located before using this ebook. 1.E.2 If an individual project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work is derived from texts not protected by US copyright law, does not contain a notice indicating that it is posted with permission of the copyright holder, the work can be copied and distributed to anyone in the United States without paying any fees or charge. If you are redistributing or providing access to a work with the phrase Project Gutenberg associated with or appearing on the work, you must comply either with the requirements of paragraphs 1.E.1 through 1.E.7 or obtain permission for the use of the work and the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial trademark asset force in paragraphs 1.E.8 or 1.E.9. 1.E.3 If an individual project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial electronic work is posted with the permission of the copyright holder, your use and distribution must comply with both paragraphs 1.E.1 through 1.E.7 and any additional terms imposed by the copyright holder. Additional terms will be linked to the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license for all works posted with the permission of the copyright holder found at the beginning of this work. 1.E.4 Do not unlink or detach or remove the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license terms from this work, or any file containing a part of this work or any other work associated with Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. 1.E.5 Do not copy, display, perform, distribute or redistribute this electronic work, or any part of this electronic work, without permanently displaying the sentence set forth in paragraph 1.E.1 with active links or immediate access to the full terms of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial license. 1.E.6 You may convert to and distribute this work in any binary, compressed, marked up, non-proprietary or proprietary form, including any word processing or hypertext form. However, if you provide access to or distribute copy of a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work in a format other than plain vanilla ASCII or other format used in the official version posted on the official Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial website, www.gutenberg.org you must, at no additional cost, fee or expense to the user, provide a copy, a means of exporting a copy, or a means of obtaining a copy upon request, of the work in its original plain vanilla ASCII or other form. Any alternate format must include the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale licence as specified in paragraph 1.e.1. 1.e.7. Do not charge a fee for access to, viewing, displaying, performing, copying or distributing any Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale works unless you comply with paragraph 1.e.8 or 1.e.9. 1.e.8. You may charge a reasonable fee for copy of or providing access to or distributing Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic works provided that you pay a royalty fee of 20% of the gross profit you derive from the use of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale works calculated using the method you already use to calculate your applicable tax. The fee is owed to the owner of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale trademark. BU et HAS agreed to donate royalty under this paragraph to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Royalty payment must be paid within 60 days following each date on which you prepare, or are legally required to prepare, your periodic tax returns. Royalty payment should be clearly marked as sent to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation at the address specified in Section 4, Information about donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. You provide a full refund of any money paid by a user who notifies you in writing, or by email, within 30 days of receipt that /et does not agree to the terms of the full Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale licence. You must require such a user to return or destroy all copy of the works possessed in a physical medium and discontinue all use of and all access to other copy of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale works. You provide, in accordance with paragraph 1.f.3, a full refund of any money paid for a work or a replacement copy, if a defect in the electronic work is discovered and reported to you within 90 days of receipt of the work. You comply with all other terms of this agreement for free distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale works. 1.e.9. If you wish to charge a fee or distribute a Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic work or group of works on different terms than are set forth in this agreement, you must obtain permission in writing from the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the manager of the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale trademark. Contact the Foundation as set forth in section 3 below. 1.f.1.f.1 Project Gutenberg volunteers and employees expend considerable effort to identify, do copyright research on, transcribe and proofread works not protected by US copyright law in creating the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale collection. Despite these efforts, Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale electronic works, and the medium on which they may be stored, may contain defects such as, but not limited to, incomplete, inaccurate or corrupt data, transcription errors, a copyright or other intellectual property infringement, a defective or damaged disk or other medium, a computer virus, or computer code that damage or cannot be read by your equipment. 1.f.2 Limited warranty, disclaimer of damage, except for the right of replacement or refund described in paragraph 1.f.3, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, the owner of the Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial trademark, and any other party distributing a Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic work under this agreement, disclaim all liability to you for damages, costs and expenses, including legal fees. You agree that you have no remedy for negligence, strict liability, breach of warranty or breach of contract except those provided in paragraph 1.f.3. You agree that the Foundation, the trademark owner, and any distributor under this agreement will not be liable to you for actual, direct, indirect, consequential, punitive or incidental damages even if you give notice of the possibility of such damage. 1.f.3 Limited right of replacement or refund, if you discover a defect in this electronic work within 90 days of receiving it, you can receive a refund of the money, if any, you paid for it by sending a written explanation to the person you received the work from. If you received the work on a physical medium, you must return the medium with your written explanation. The person or entity that provided you with the defective work may elect to provide a replacement copy in lieu of a refund. If you received the work electronically, the person or entity providing it to you may choose to give you a second opportunity to receive the work electronically in lieu of a refund. If the second copy is also defective, you may demand a refund in writing without further opportunities to fix the problem. 1.f.4 Except for the limited right of replacement or refund set forth in paragraph 1.f.3, this work is provided to you as, with no other warranties of any kind, express or implied, including but not limited to warranties of merchantability or fitness for any purpose. 1.f.5 Some states do not allow disclaimers of certain implied warranties or the exclusion or limitation of certain type of damages. If any disclaimer or limitation set forth in this agreement violates the law of the state applicable to this agreement, the agreement shall be interpreted to make the maximum disclaimer or limitation permitted by the applicable state law. The invalidity or unenforceability of any provision of this agreement shall not void the remaining provision. 1.f.6 Indemnity, you agree to indemnify and hold the Foundation, the trademark owner, any agent or employee of the Foundation, anyone providing copy of Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic works in accordance with this agreement, and any volunteers associated with the production, promotion and distribution of Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial electronic works, harmless from all liability, costs and expenses, including legal fees, that arise directly or indirectly from any of the following which you do or cause to occur. A. Distribution of this or any Project Gutenberg symbol mark commercial work, b. Alteration, modification, or addition or deletions to any project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial work, and c. Any defective cause. Section 2. Information about the mission of Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial is synonymous with the free distribution of electronic works in format readable by the widest variety of computers including obsolete, old, middle-aged and new computers. It exists because of the effort of hundreds of volunteers and donations from people in all walks of life. Volunteers and financial support to provide volunteers with the assistance they need are critical to reaching Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial's goals and ensuring that the Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial collection will remain freely available for generations to come. In 2001, the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation was created to provide a secure and permanent future for Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial and future generations. To learn more about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation and how your efforts and donations can help, see section 3 and 4 and the Foundation information page at www.gutenberg.org. Section 3. Information about the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. The Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation is a non-profit 501(c)(3) educational corporation organized under the laws of the state of Mississippi and granted tax-exempt status by the Internal Revenue Service. The Foundation SEIN or Federal Tax Identification Number is 64 à 6 221 541. Contribution to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation are tax deductible to the full extent permitted by U.S. federal laws and your state's laws. The Foundation's business office is located at 809 North 1500 West, Salt Lake City, U84 116, 801, 596 à 1887. Email contact links and up-to-date contact information can be found at the Foundation's website and official page at www.gutenberg.org/contact. Section 4. Information about donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial depends upon and cannot survive without widespread public support and donation to carry out its mission of increasing the number of public domain and licensed works that can be freely distributed in machine-readable form accessible by the widest array of equipment including outdated equipment. Many small donations, $1 to $5,000, are particularly important to maintaining tax-exempt status with the IRS. The Foundation is committed to complying with the laws regulating charities and charitable donations in all 50 states of the United States. Compliance requirements are not uniform and it takes a considerable effort, much paperwork and money fees to meet and keep up with these requirements. We do not solicit donations in locations where we have not received written confirmation of compliance. To send donation or determine the status of compliance for any particular state, visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. While we can attend do not solicit contribution from states where we have not met the solicitation requirements, we know of no prohibition against accepting unsolicited donation from donors in such states who approach us with offers to donate. International donations are gratefully accepted, but we cannot make any statements concerning tax treatment of donations received from outside the United States. US laws alone swam for small staff. Please check the Project Gutenberg web page for current donation methods and addresses. Donations are accepted in a number of other ways including checks, online payments and credit card donation. To donate, please visit www.gutenberg.org/donate. Section 5. Général Information About Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale Electronic Works Professor Michael S. R. was the originator of the Project Gutenberg Symbol Marque Commerciale concept of a library of electronic works that could be freely shared with anyone. For 40 years, a produced and distributed Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial e-books with only a loose network of volunteer support. Project Gutenberg symbol marque commercial e-books are often created from several printed editions, all of which are confirmed and not protected by copyright in the US unless a copyright notice is included. Thus, we do not necessarily keep e-books in compliance with any particular paper edition. Most people start at our website which has the main page search facility, www.gutenberg.org. This website includes information about Project Gutenberg symbol marque commerciale, including how to make donation to the Project Gutenberg Literary Archive Foundation, how to help produce our new ebooks, and how to subscribe to our email newsletter to hear about new ebooks.